Baby Diaper Sprayer by Luxx. Nest Bidet Spray by Luxx. Nest is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. Button to quickly receive your Luxx Nest diaper sprayer and to get the manufacturer's holiday sale price. For the environmentally friendly mama who dares to challenge the world. Premium quality. While other diaper sprayers leak and exert low and non-adjustable water pressure, Luxx Nest sprayers are built with premium quality materials to remain without leaks, splash and while exerting high water pressure. 20-second wash. Take some time off. You will be sure to quickly eliminate maximum soil from your baby's diaper. The manufacturer knows you have a lot to get through. Take control. You now have options. Choose to mount your sprayer to the wall or hang it on the bidet. Choose high pressure, low pressure, or any pressures in between. It's your bidet, do what you'd like. The manufacturer believes you deserve the best. The manufacturer's 3-year guarantee ensures the manufacturer get it right the first time by producing quality products.